Okay, let's start. Good afternoon, students, and welcome to our math class. All right, so last week I gave you a homework, right? So I want you to get your math workbook and open on page, let me check. Let me share the page for you, class. Hold on. So last time we discussed about rounding numbers, nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1,000. So now let's try to answer your homework related to the topic last week. Let me find first. Okay, here. All right, so class, open your math workbook on this page. What page is this? What number? What page? Can anyone tell me? Okay, number 12. Okay, page number 12. So let's try to answer number 1, okay? So first, number 1, round each number to the nearest 10. So let's round the number to the nearest 10. That means we only look for this one, 3 and 4. So here's the number line. Who can give me the correct answer? Who can round off 5,134 to the nearest 10? Raise your hand.
5,130.
Okay, so the answer is 1,130 because we're only looking for the nearest 10, and the nearest 10 is 3 and 4. So 34 is closer to 30. All right, so now let's proceed to letter B. We have 1,115. So we are looking for the nearest 10. 1, 5, 15.
1,128.
Okay, let's try to check. Very good. So that's 1,120. Okay. Now let's proceed to number 2. Round this number to the nearest 100. So when we say nearest 100, we are looking for 3 numbers here. So who can round off, or what is the answer for letter A, 2,747?
2,700.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Very good, Pan. That's 2,700. Okay, good job. Now let's proceed to letter B. We have 4,020. Round this number to the nearest 100.
4,000.
4,000, let's see. Very good, 4,000. Okay, next. All right, so we have 25,346. So let's try to round this number to the nearest 100.
25,300.
Okay, that's 25,300. Very good. Letter B, we have 81,550. Round this number to the nearest 100.
81,600.
Very good, 81,600. Good job. Okay, let's proceed to the next number. We have number 4. Round each number to the nearest 1,000. So when we see 1,000, we are looking for this number. Okay. So round this number 42,916.
43,000.
43,000.
43,000.
43,000.
43,000.
Very good. So the answer is 43,000. Oh, for letter B, we have 75,480. So if we're going to round this number, that's going to be 75,000, right? Okay. Do you understand? Yes or no?
75,000.
Very good. Who understand? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Okay, hands down. All right, now kids, let's go back to your textbook. Now we will use your textbook. Okay, let me share the page for you. Just give me 1 second. All right, now let's go to your math textbook and open on this.
แม่สูทำไมแม่สูใส่ชุดนอนอ่ะ
All right, so open your book to this page, class. What page is this? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me what page is this? What page number?
กูเพิ่งมาเคยมาเที่ยว
17.
Okay, so open your math textbook on page number 17. All right, so let's try to answer number 2. Letter A, 2A. Round 35,235 to the nearest 100. So we are looking for this number. I mean, this one, to the nearest 100. 35,235. Round this number to the nearest 100. Can you give me an answer? Number 2A. Round this number to the nearest 100. What's the answer, class, for 2A? 35,235. Round this number to the nearest 100. Anyone? Pushi? We have 35,235. All right, I will show you the answer. That's gonna be 32,200 because 235 is closer to 200. All right, let's proceed to 1B. Let's try to answer 1B. This one. Nearest 100. So round this number to the nearest 100. $450. Is it close to 400 or is it close to 500? Anyone?
ต้องเป็น 3,400
Who can round this number to the nearest 100? 450.
ใกล้หลักร้อยถ้าเขาถามว่า nearest 10 ใกล้หลัก10ก็ต้องตอบ 3,450
Learn.
หลัก10นะลูก
ตอบอะไร
What's the answer?
อยู่ในหลัก10ใกล้หลัก
ตอบที่นั่นน่ะ
ก็วันนั้นก็เขียนกราฟกันไปแล้ว
100
ไม่ทัน
เท่าสั้นเหรออันเด่นไม่ใช่เหรอนะเอ
Nearest hundred. Nearest
อัน
hundred.
เด่นเด่นก็ต้องตอบ
ใกล้หลักสิบไงมันใกล้หลักสิ
ค
บ
รูเอ๊ะ
มันต้องสิบก็50มันอยู่ในหลักแหละ
ครูถามข้ออะไร
หนึ่ง
ก็ต้องอยู่ในหลักสิบก็เป็น50ไง
เอ้า
What's the answer, class?
นี่อะไร
450. Is it closer to 500 or is it closer to 400?
100อ่ะก็ต้องเป็น
500
Okay, very good. So what's the answer if we're going to round this number?
3,400
เท่าไหร่
เขากำหนดค่ามาให้ลูกอ่ะ
3,500
Oh, very good. That's 3,500 because 450 is closer to 500. Okay.
ถ้าเขียน
All right.
กราฟเนี่ย
Now let's try number 1, letter A.
ถ้าลิเขียนเป็นกราฟเนี่ย
So nearest 10,
450
nearest 10. So we are looking only for these two numbers.
400
6,150
Ah, very good. 6,150 because 53 is closer to 50. Okay, now number 2, letter B. So we are looking for nearest 1,000. Okay,
มันอยู่ตรงกลาง
so we are only checking these 4 numbers.
เกินครึ่
So
งอ่ะ
how are you gonna...
6,300
Again, one more time.
63,000
เหมือนแม่ไปเติมน้ำมันรถเห็นไหม
And louder, please.
15 บาทติดเผ็ด
63,000
Oh, very good. That's 63,000 because 2,650 is closer to this one. 60, yeah, 62, 650 is closer to 63. All right. Let me give you another example class. So I'm gonna use my whiteboard.
อันเนี้ยลองคิดดิเนี่ยเนี่ยลองคิดดิ
Okay.
เนี่ย3,500
Let's try to round this number to the
เกิน
nearest 10.
nearest 100เราต้องตอบว่าอะไร
Nearest. Do you see it? Oh, hold on
จะต้องตอบว่าอะไร
a second. So let's round this number to the nearest 10. I have 500.
ตอบไม่ถูกมันมี
37
ทีหลักหน่วย
Now, let's round this number to the nearest 10.
540
Ah, very good. 540. What about this one?
40
I have 532. Round this number to the nearest 10.
530
Ah, very good. Okay, round this number to the nearest
เนี่ยดูอัน
10.
nearest 10เนี่ย675ก็ต้องเป็นเท่าไหร่ nearest 10 675ละ nearest 10
Round this number to the nearest 10. 675.
6
เกิน5มันเกิน5ไปแล้วก็ต้องตัดที่
180
Ah, very good. 680. Round this number to the nearest 10. I have
พยา
921.
ยามดูที่เข้าใจ 921 nearest
920
Oh, very good. 920. Okay, I have another example.
ดูที่เขา
What
นี่
about
ทำความเข้าใจ
65,207? Let's try
อะไรเลยเนี่ยง่าย
86.
ๆไม่ต้องอะไร
We
เล
are
ย
still
แค่ดูก็รู้
looking, we are still rounding the number to the nearest 10, okay? Nearest 10. 65,286.
65,290.
ก็ต้องตัด
Very good.
Oh.
Why? That's 65,290.
ต้องตัดตรง
What about 23,834?
ถ้ามันเกิน5ตัดขึ้น
Round this number to the nearest 10.
เท่าไหร่
23,830.
Oh, very good. 830.
ตายแล้วนะ
Okay, another example.
มันสับเลยเข้าใจ
I
หรือ
will
ยัง
turn on the other side. Hold on.
ใครมาฟังอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
Okay, I have another example. I have 45,991. Round this number to the nearest 10.
45,990.
Oh, very good. 45,990. Okay, do you understand? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to round a number to the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100. Nearest 100. So I have 245. Round this number to the nearest 100. 245.
Different glasses
Yeah.
vibrate different ways.
300.
200. Very good. It's 200. 200 plus because 245 is closer to 200. Okay. What about this one? 200.
ไป
54.
300.
300. Very good.
เปิดเสียงอยู่เปล่า
254 is closer to 300. What about this one? 900.
ตอบได้ไหมนะ
900. Very good. 900. What about 961?
1,000.
Oh, very good. 1,000. All right, let's try 4 digits. I have 7,872. Round this number to the nearest 100.
7,900.
Oh, very good. 7,900. What about this one? 9,827.
9,800.
Oh, very good. 9,800. Because 827 is closer to 800. Another example, I have 3,521.
3,500.
Very good. 3,500. Okay, let's try 5 digits. Okay. I have 52,107. Round this number to the nearest hundred.
100.
นี่แหละอย่ารีบนะ
2,100.
Very good. 52,100. Good job. Okay, what about this one? 52,181.
2,200.
Very good. 52,200. What about this one?
นี่แหละ
48,695.
กำลังประกอบข้าวคนละถุง
Round this number to the nearest hundred.
700.
Very good. 48,700.
ปลาวิ่งรอบเลยวิ่งมา
Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to round off the number to the nearest thousand. Thousand. Okay. Thousand. So I have 1,821. Round this number to the nearest thousand. 1,821.
2,000.
2,000. Okay. Round this number 1,281.
เอาดนตรีใช่ไหม
1,000.
1,000. What about 1,555?
ให้กินข้าว
2,000.
ปกติบ้านตัดโค้ง
All right, let's try 5 digits. Okay, let's try 5 digits. I have 21,850.
มันจะเป็นได้บนทางมันตัดเปลี่ยน
21,850. Round this number to the nearest thousand.
22,000.
Very good. That's 22,000. Okay. What about 21,323?
21,000.
Very good. That's 21,000. Another example. What about 59,923?
50,000.
Huh? 59,923.
ป้องกันตัวดีๆวันนี้145 คน
50,000.
แล้วก็ติดในเป็น117 คนมาจากต่างจังหวัดมา
60,000. Very good. And another example. I have 75,000.
มาจากพื้นที่สีแดงอ่ะที่รับมาแค่18 คนตรงนั้นติดในจังหวัด117 คน
Again.
แล้วตายเพิ่มอีกแล้วนะตายเพิ่มอีกคน
This is
ทั่วประเทศ
75 นะ 75,801.
ไม่ก็ปกติมันก็เอาเนี่ยแหละรอบ77 จังหวัดรวมกันเป็น3
75,801. Round again.
800.
Oh, we are talking about thousand. Nearest thousand.
7,000.
นี่ก็เปิดเป็นลานสนามเราจะ
76,000.
Very good. 76. Because 5,801 is closer to 76. Oh, 75,801 is closer to 76. Another example, I have 82,753. Round this number to the nearest thousand.
83,000.
83,000. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Understand.
Okay, very good, kids. All right, now let's go back to your math textbook. Let's go back to your math textbook and open to this page, class. This one, let's practice. Open to this page. What page number is this? Can you tell me?
70.
20.
20.
Okay, page number 20. All right, so class, let's try to answer this one, okay? So number one, how many paper clips are there? So we have 1,000, another 1,000, and then this one is 1,000 and 1,000. And then there are 300s, 1, 2, 3, and there are how many ones? Who can give me the correct number of paper clips? Who can give me the correct number of paper clips? How many paper clips?
6.
Oh, what happened? Continue. Okay, hold on.
เดี๋ยวนะคะ
How many paper clips? Teacher, what happened?
ไม่ต้องไปยุ่งกับมันจะขึ้นรูป
ทุกคนใจเย็นค่ะตอนนี้รวมกันเรารวมกันอยู่ ตอนนี้เรารวมกันอยู่
Teacher Bon, what
เรารวม
happened?
กันอยู่ ตอนนี้เรารวมกันอยู่
เสียงมันตั้ง
มันเด้งเองมันเด้งเลยมันเด้งมา
ไหน
เอง
อะไรที่
เนี่ยมันเด้ง
Teacher Bon, what happened? John. Oh, I don't know what happened for any reason.
มัน
ปิดไมค์ด้วย
Okay, let's lesson. So here, number one, how many paper clips are there? So there are 4,000.
4,306
Very good. So write this number in the box. 4,306. Okay, now number two, count and write the number. Count and write the number. So we have 10,000. Let's count 1, 2.
10,000
What is the answer?
10,000
Who can give me the correct answer?
10,000
Again, please.
10,000
Ah, 10,000 law.
แบบจะหมด 100,000
Oh, very good. That's 100,000 because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So you write 100 and then add 3 zeros. Okay, number 3.
แล้ว
Number 3, class, fill in the blank for each of the following number patterns. So we have 500 plus 8,000 plus 11,000. So this is plus 3,000 more. Yes or no? So we will just add 3,000 more. So 5,000 plus 3,000, that's 800. 800, oh, 8,000, no, I'm sorry. 5,000 plus 3,000 is equals to 8,000. And then 8,000 plus 3,000 is 11,000. Now, 11,000 plus 3,000.
ไอ้หนูมีห้องไหม
What is the missing number here?
14,000
14,000, let's see. Okay, very good. So that's 14,000. All right, now letter B. So we will count backwards, okay? So this is like less 20,000, 81,000, 61,000, and then what's the next number?
41,000
Very good, that's 41,000. Okay, next. Letter C. Yep. So this is counting forward, okay? So I think how, or what is the number added? So there's like,
29,000.
okay, very good. That's 5,000 more. The answer is 29,000. Okay, next, number 4. Write the number in numerals and in words. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Who can give me the number, the numerals? Who can give me the numerals? Anyone? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
34.
Okay, that's 67,034. And this is the words, right? 67,000 and then 34. Okay, write this in your book. Ian,
What is that?
write this in your book, this one, and the time numerals. Finish? It's raining.
It's finished. I
Okay,
finished.
very good.
Finish.
Very good. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. So question number 5 is find the value of the digit 3 in the number. So class, can you tell me what is the value of number 3 in 30,245? What is the value of 3 in this series of numbers? Find the value of digit 3 in the number.
8,000.
Again, Pan.
8,000.
8,000? No. What is the value of the digit in the number? Which I round off now. Do not round off. We are trying to identify the value of digit 3 in the number. Anyone?
30,000.
Ah, who said 30,000?
Mukmai.
Mukmai. Ah, very good, Mukmai. That's 30,000. Okay. The digit 3 is in thousands place. Okay, very good. Now, number 6. Number 6, letter A. Write the number 48,017 in place value form.
8,000. 8,000.
No. No. You forgot, class. We have 48,017, right? So how many 10,000? 4. 10,000,ใช่ไหม? So there are 4 10,000, right? So, and how many thousand?
8,000.
So 8,000. And how many hundreds?
0 hundred.
0 hundreds. And how many tens?
10.
10
One.
10.
How many ones?
7 1.
7 ones. So there are 4 10,000, 8,000, then 1 10, and then 7 ones. So you write it down in your book. Finish? Teacher phone, we will finish in 2:30. ใช่ไหม?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. So we still have 15 minutes. 15 นาที. Okay, letter B class, find the missing number. We have 48,017. So the value of 4 is, what's the value of 4?
8,000. 8,000.
8,000. Okay, next. Oh, hold on. Let me just erase this.
Right.
All right, so here, number 7. Which number is the greatest number? Greatest number. Which number is the greatest number? Can anyone tell me which one is the greatest?
P 36,555.
No, we are looking for the greatest.
37,554.
Very good. So the greatest number is 37,554.
จอ
So you're right, the answer here. 37,554. That's the greatest number, okay? Number 8. So now let's round the number. Round 5,370 to the nearest 100. Oh, this one is very easy. Nearest 100. Round the number to the nearest 100.
5,400.
Very good. So that's 5,400. Okay, now for letter B. Round the number 47,912 to the nearest 1,000. So we are looking for 1,000 plus.
48,000.
Very good. So that's
48,000.
48. And number 9, fill in the blanks for each of the following number patterns. Letter A, 16,400. And then the next number is 23,500. So what is the missing number? What is the missing number?
แต่แบบง่ายจังได้เหมือนว่าแบบที่ทำต้องไปขอเขาอ่านว่าแกนี่มาเนี่ยกดปากไป
What's the missing number here? Number 9, letter A.
แต่เป็นผู้บอกเป็นไงได้
600,000.
30,600. Very good. Okay, letter B. So we are counting backwards. The first number is 88,800. So what is the missing number? So we are counting backwards.
88,400.
Let's see. No, it's 83,600. So you write this answer.
ทางน้ำพุ่งเป็นที่เราว่าตอนไหนนะที่มันอ้อมน้ำมันอ้อมผมก็ไปทำที
Okay, now let's proceed to number 10.
เปลี่ยนไซส์ก็ต้องใช้
Number 10 is
แต่
arrange
ซื้อหมดแล้วนะ
the number in increasing order. So from lowest to greatest number. So this is increasing
แก้ไม่ได้
up,
นอกจาก
going up from lowest to greatest number. Increasing order. So what is the first number, the smallest number? So we have 63,100, 62,100, 63,001.
100.
Are you sure is that the smallest number? Increasing order from smallest to greatest number.
62,010. 62,010.
62,010. And then what's the next number?
62,100.
Very good. So that's 62,100. And then what's the next one?
63,100.
Oh, again? What's the third one?
63,001.
Very good. And what about the last number?
63,100.
Oh, okay. Very good, kids. So write the answer. So here's the arrangement from lowest. The lowest number is 62,010 and the greatest number is 63,100. Okay, we are finished with chapter 1. Very good. So next week class, we will start chapter 2, okay? Chapter 2 next week is add and subtract. And next week, before we start chapter 2, Teacher Maria will give a chapter test, okay? I will give you we will have a chapter 1 unit test in math next week. Okay, so you study your workbook. Let me check. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Let me check the workbook now.
เข้า M500 อ่ะใช้ M500 เขาขอหน่อไม้มาดิแม่ก่อนจะเติมก่อนแม่ชอบเติมเปรี้ยวๆนะเขาชอบเปรี้ยวๆ
Okay, here for class, for your homework, this one.
ชอบเปรี้ยวๆเผ็ด
That's for your practice. This is your math workbook. So this is gonna be your homework now. I will send this in Google Classroom. This one. Oh. Answer this. This is gonna be your homework. What page is this class? Can you tell me?
ในกันบ้าน10 ข้อเนี้ย
So this is your homework, mastery practice.
ทำหรือเปล่า
ทำเลย
ที่ทำเอง
แล้วต้นน้ำหมดหรือยังวันนี้ฟินิชยัง
Mastery practice 1. This is your homework. So you answer everything from this mastery practice 1, okay? I will send this in Google Classroom. All right, so I think that's all for today, students. Thank you, class.
บ้านไหม
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, I only
Thank you,
hear
thank you.
one more time.
Teacher Maya. Bye-bye.
Teacher phone how to end this. I click leave room now.
I will tell the student living in the classroom, teacher.
I leave room ใช่ไหม
โอเค เข้าใจไหมคะเด็ก
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye.